This Century 21 Premier Realtors property video is presented by Nar Diaz. Prime location perfection. Welcome to a charming slice of paradise where a true sense of community thrives on just 2 streets. This beautifully appointed residence offers an inviting atmosphere and a thoughtful floor plan designed for both entertaining and everyday living. This comfortable, perfectly sized oasis in a highly walkable neighborhood. This residence offers unparalleled convenience, just minutes from Fort Hood Main Base and West Fort Hood Military Base, and all essential amenities, schools, healthcare, hospital, urgent care clinics, gas stations, and lifestyle spots like coffee shops, diverse restaurants, and even a donut place, all within this prime, walkable location. This home boasts soaring 10-foot ceilings throughout, creating an immediate sense of grandeur and airiness that sets it apart from standard ceilings, and a heart-centered living room with a cozy fireplace in the spacious living area, perfect for relaxing after a long day. Step out to your private patio, a tranquil and serene backyard sanctuary overlooking a greenbelt, nature at your doorstep. This isn't just a porch, it's a destination. Imagine evenings spent here, cold drink in hand, watching the sky transform into a nightly masterpiece of color as the sun dips below the horizon. A true find for effortless living. This house is a lifestyle of comfort, community, and convenience, all within this prime, walkable location. This captivating home won't last long. It's move-in ready and waiting for your personal touch. Schedule your private tour today before it's gone. For more information, review the